We're on the record in cause number 323474. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Jacqueline Hill. Ms. Hill is present in court. Ms. Hill, how are you doing? You doing all right? That's good. Ms. Hill, you're here represented by your attorney, Mr. Bruce Smith. Mr. Smith, how are you doing?
Fine, Your Honor. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Now, Mr. Smith, your client had another case earlier today in the criminal district court, and she will also sit on this docket. Do you have an announcement for the court?
Yes, Your Honor. The Judge Stevens set off the other case for 4 months, but we need to ask the court to give us like a plea date in 30 days.
Okay.
Because the felony prosecutor has made an offer that we've accepted.
Okay.
And but we just can't do it.
Okay, Ms. Ramos, did you hear that?
Yes, Your Honor, I did.
Okay, so we're gonna reset it 30 days. Give us a plea date.
About 4/19.
Is that right? That's April 19th?
Yes. Did I have anything after that? My mom had surgery
Your mom had surgery when?
in April. I take care of her.
When in April?
Well, no, April 15th. No, April the 9th, April the 9th.
What about the first part of April?
April 6th.
Okay.
You'll be here April 6th.
Okay, so his case is gonna be reset to April 6th for a plea. Mr. Smith, you can get your reset and you'll be free to go. You have a blessed day.
Thank you.
And once your, Ms. Hill, once your attorney gets to reset, you'll be free to go as well, and you have a blessed day as well.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. We're on the record in clause number 317368. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Calvin Lee Randall. Mr. Randall, is that your full name?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Randall, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Randall. Ms. Ramos or Ms. Musgrove, which one of you are handling the case?
I'm here, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Randall, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Randall, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Randall, you may put your hand down. How you doing, Mr. Randall?
Pretty good.
That's good. Mr. Randall, I have before me an information that alleges on or about October 18 of 2017, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the class, excuse me. I have before me, Mr. Randall, a motion to revoke your probation. And in this motion alleges that on July 2nd of 2019, that you were found guilty for the offense of driving while intoxicated. Your punishment was assessed at 90 days confinement in Jefferson County Jail and a fine of $500. And that confinement was probated for a period of 1 year. The state filed a motion to revoke your probation on October 30th of 2019. In this motion, the state alleges that, let's see. Okay, there are 5 allegations in the motion. State, are you abandoning allegations 1, 2, and 3?
Yes, Your Honor.
Allegation 4, Mr. Randall, alleges that you failed to pay court assessed fees as ordered by the court, and as of September 16 of 2019, you were $435 in arrears in violation of condition 8 of your probation order. Is that true or not true?
True.
Allegation 5 alleges that you failed to abstain from the use and possession of any drugs except those taken or possessed under doctor's orders as ordered by the court, in that on or about September 8 of 2019, you were in possession of an illegal drug, you was in possession of illegal drugs, namely synthetic marijuana, crack cocaine, and methamphetamine, in violation of condition 12 of your probation order. Is that true or not true?
True.
Are you pleading true to allegations 4 and 5 freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading true because they are true?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Randall, I have before me State's Exhibit number 1. State's Exhibit 1 has on page 1, one box says check stating that this is an MTRP, which means it's a motion to revoke probation. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
State's Exhibit number 1 on page 2 have one box that's checked at the bottom of this document. That box checked is MTRP, and it states that you're pleading true to allegations 4 and 5, and there are a set of initials, CR, at the bottom of this document. Are these your initials?
Yes, sir.
And on page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that says defendant. Is that your signature?
Yes, sir.
And the next document is the trial court certification of the defendant's right of appeal. And at the bottom of this document, there's a signature that purports to be your signature. Is that your signature?
Yes, sir.
At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes that's checked. The first box states that this is a plea bargaining case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
The second box states that you are waiving, which means that you're giving up your right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Randall, prior to signing and initialing these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
And your attorney is present there with you, is that correct?
Correct.
And Mr. Randall, did you read and understand everything in these documents?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
State, I have before me State's Exhibit number 1. State, you like to offer State's 1?
Yes, Your Honor.
We have no objections, Your Honor.
Okay, no objections. State's Exhibit number 1 will be admitted. Mr. LeBlanc, you have advised and counseled Mr. Randall. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
None that I'm aware of, Your Honor.
Mr. Randall, your attorney, Mr. LeBlanc, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Randall, I will accept your pleas are true to allegations 4 and 5. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your pleas are true and waivers are freely and voluntarily given. I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to revoke your probation, and your probation is hereby revoked. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. It's for 30 days county jail.
Mr. Randall, the state is offering that you serve 30 days in the county jail. Mr. Randall, you will also be required to pay court costs. In this case, the court cost is $57. Would you be able to pay the $57?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. Randall, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
And do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Randall, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Mr. Randall, please follow the bailiff and have a blessed day.